नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences, Department of Pathology. Our today's topic of concern is rubella. Rubella is also called the German measles. The morphology of rubella virus is a pleomorphic, roughly spherical particle 50 to 70 nanometer in diameter with single-stranded RNA genome and surrounded by an envelope carrying hemagglutinin papillomere. The single-stranded RNA is ineffective and replication occurs in the cytoplasm of infected cells. The properties it agglutinates goose, pigeon, day-old chick, and human erythrocyte at 4-degree temperature, a characteristics which is utilized in the hemagglutination inhibition test for specific antibodies. Resistance of this virus is inactivated by the ether, chloroform, formaldehyde, beta-propiolactone, and desoxychocolate. It is destroyed by heating at 56 degrees centigrade but survive for several years at 60 degrees. Clinical features. The humans are the only host of rubella. Infection is transmitted by respiratory route. Incubation period is 2 to 3 weeks. The characteristic clinical features are rash. A generalized rash develops first on the face, then spread on the trunk, limb, sparing the palms and soles. The rash is generally discrete and ordinarily disappears by the third day. Lymphadenopathy is there. There is non-tender enlargement of posterior cervical gland. The disease occurs principally in children but may affect all ages. The common complications include arthalgia, arthritis, commoner in women and with increasing age. The rare complications include thrombocytopenic purpura and encephalitis. Congenital rubella. It based on the results of in vitro studies, rubella infection is presumed to cause chromosomal breakage and inhibition of mitosis in infected embryonic cell. The fetal damage caused by maternal rubella is related to the stage of pregnancy. Classical congenital rubella syndrome. The virus may spread to the fetus through the bloodstream, causing death due to infection in early pregnancy. Congenital malformations in infection during the first trimester and more subtle damage in later infections. The commonest malformations caused by rubella are cardiac defect, cataract, and deafness, which constitute the classical congenital rubella syndrome. Epidemiology. Rubella has a worldwide distribution. Outbreak usually occurs in spring and early summers. The humans are the only host for rubella infection is transmitted by the respiratory route. Serological survey in different countries have shown that 80 to 90% are immune by the age of 15 years. About 10 to 20% of mothers are non-immune and therefore vulnerable currently. Only 2 to 3% of young adult females are susceptible. Lab diagnosis. Viral isolation. The virus may be isolated from blood during the early stage or more successfully from the throat swab in rabbit kidney or vero cells. Various tissue culture cell line of monkey, BSC1 vero or rabbit RK13 SIRC origin as well as primary in African green monkey kidney cultures may be used. Rubella produces a rather inconspicuous cytopathic effect in most of the cell lines. Therefore, rubella infection in cell culture is detected by interference with the CPE of the challenge virus Coxsackie A19 and by immune fluorescence and immune peroxidase staining for detection of antigen. The virus grows better if culture are incubated at lower temperature 33 to 35 degrees centigrade. Rubella virus isolation is not commonly employed for diagnosis because of the difficulties and delay involved. Serology includes Serological diagnosis is a method in routine use. ELISA for IgM and IgG antibodies gives vulnerable information. IgM antibody alone without IgG means current acute infection. In case of rubella IgG antibody, fourfold and more rise in titer in impaired sera has a diagnostic value. IgG antibody alone without IgM means past infection or vaccination and denotes immunity as there is only one serotype of rubella infection. Prophylaxis include passive prophylaxis. There is little evidence that administering normal human immunoglobulin after contact reduces the risk of maternal rubella and fetal infection, although it may attenuate the illness. active prophylaxis, there is a rubella vaccine. Several live attenuated vaccines have been developed by serial passage of the virus in tissue culture. The vaccine is used now is the RA27 by 3 strain grown in human diploid cell culture and administered by subcutaneous injection in a single dose of 0.5 ml. The vaccine is available as a single antigen or combined with measles and mumps component as MMR. The vaccine-induced immunity persists in most vaccines for at least 14 to 16 years and probably is lifelong. The vaccine virus is apparently non-teratogenic. Inadvertent administration of the vaccine to the pregnant woman may not therefore lead to congenital defect in the baby. This is my reference book. I hope you enjoy this session. If any queries there, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.